sometimes what you plan for your life is very different from what your life plans for you. Blind people have to go through a very tough process. There is a friction at every step. I've heard, Kushal, you are a problem. यार इसकी आंखें चली गई तो ये हमको तकलीफ देगा क्या? Remember, your will is more important than your skill. Because if you have will, you can learn any skill in this world for your growth. Guys, our problem these days are not Facebook, ads, CPL, closings, course creations, tools. No, our problem these days are
This is going to be such an inspiring and phenomenal story that every single one of you is probably going to dig deep and ask yourself, why am I not doing it? Okay? Now this is a person that the person I'm talking about has no sight. Like I said, vision is not about sight, but has a massive vision. It's only because of his relentless personal and professional growth that he has been able to actually achieve the things that he's so far achieved. So what he's doing is helping people build a business when many people in his position actually would have opted out of what life dished out for him. That's what many people would have chosen to do. But he chose the absolute opposite path. He's a getting things done kind of a coach. And he focuses on productivity. He focuses on productivity of online coaches and freelancers, to be specific. He's earned 15 lakhs. Give it up. He's earned 15 lakhs. And this is just the beginning of his glorious journey. Because he is into empowering people to be the best versions of themselves through his journey. One memorable moment that he mentioned to me, which I'd love to share, is that while working on his book, there was a family misunderstanding that happened, and that led to a pre-launch order of 50 copies. So I say, and that led to a bestseller tag on Amazon. Wow, give it up. So I say, ऐसी miscommunications होती रहे हैं families में, which lead us to, Amazon bestseller tags. But hey, we don't know this about him. He sings beautifully. He's a man with a heart of gold. I know you know him, you love him. And now I want you to give him the loudest, the warmest round of standing ovation. Come on. Let's hear it for the inimitable, the one and only in ILH, Kushal Kulkarni.
Thank you.
Let's hear it nice and loud. Come on. Yeah.
I love that. I cannot start without doing this. My dad is in front of me. Papa? So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, अपने दिल को थाम के बैठिए ताकि आपके धड़कते हुए दिल के साथ आपको पता चले कि आप सब जिंदा हैं. और क्योंकि मैं भी बात कर रहा हूं तो मैं भी जिंदा हूं. People in this room who know me, they know my name is Kushal Kulkarni, KK for short. Yeah, that's right. And people who are seeing me for the first time, my name remains the same, guys. It's Kushal Kulkarni, KK for short, okay? For everyone who can see me, I cannot see like you. I can feel your energy. I can listen to your voices. I'm the blind founder of Resilient Achievers Hub, a research chemist turned entrepreneur. To be very specific, I feel proud to introduce myself as Getting Things Done Coach because I'm very passionate to transform people's life, to become more productive, work on the things that matters for their growth and achieve their true potential. This is me. But how did it start? Frankly speaking, it was not planned by me. In fact, it was planned for me. Obviously, it must be very great to get a job right on the next day of your graduation, right? Later, getting married to the person you love. Starting your own business, which is almost everyone's a dream. Getting blessed with a cute baby girl. You are at the point of your life where your name and face acts as the currency in your town. With everything that is happening in your life, you are like, I am going to achieve all my goals. Amazing, right? But sometimes what you plan for your life is very different from what your life plans for you. Imagine yourself waking up on a Saturday morning just to witness the world you have seen, the world which you knew, is no longer clearly visible to you. Looking at the faces of your loved ones feels as if they are wearing a crushed plastic on their face. Crushed plastic. You literally walk to your kid, touch her face, just to confirm that there is nothing, no plastic on her face. There is a face which is not visible to you. This was me almost 3 years back. Minute by minute, day by day, things were getting worse, slipping out of my grip, and one day it was gone, lost it, blind. Initial days were hell, painful. I had no idea what was going to be my next step. One evening, I broke. Insane thoughts. I fell on my knees. I wanted to cry loud, literally shout loud, crazily. I was filled with a lot of insane thoughts. And I suddenly heard my mom saying, please stop. Via is getting afraid. Via, my daughter. She was just 4 years back then. What could I do? Scare my daughter? No. I managed myself. Hugged her and grabbed that big tornado within me and told my pain, listen, bro, I am the boss here. Okay, I am going to lead. And that was the point when this resilient Kushal was born. KK 2.0. I started working on myself. I had no idea, clueless, but I decided that I'm going to move forward. Decision changes. I chose to make that decision. I started working. I was looking for a job. I was ready to work for 3K, 5K per month because I was tense and worried about my family's future, safety. And one day I reached out to one of my blind friends, Habib. He stays in Bangalore. I called and said, man, I lost it. I cannot see like earlier. I'm blind. He replied with a deep breath. I could sense that. Kushal, your situation is a bit tougher than mine. Because I was born blind, I coped up with it long back. But in your case, you have turned blind after being sighted for more than 30 years. 30 years of sight and then no sight. I asked him if I can get a job. He replied, you have to really very hard to learn these skills, Kushal, because blind people are considered unproductive. Wow, blind equals to unproductive. What an equation. He said something huge. He continued, Kushalji, in this beautiful showroom of world, we are a damaged piece. Damaged piece. I was driving a car a few weeks back. I was looking at the faces of my loved ones. I was doing my work on my own. Lost eyes. Am I not a human anymore? Damaged piece, what does that mean? I couldn't sleep that night. I was walking inside my house where everyone else was sleeping. My mind was not ready to accept it. My mind gave a complete different version of this. It was almost 3 a.m. My mind said, Kushal, yes, definitely in this beautiful showroom of world, you are a damaged piece, but I'm going to place this damaged piece called Kushal Kulkarni in such a way that it attracts every possible eyeballs. Yes. Again started working on myself. I lost most of my eyesight before ILH. Almost. People used to ask me, what is your disability? Oh, you're so young. You lost eyesight? Yeah, I lost it. What is your percentage? 80% disability. Sometime later, what is the disability? 100%. But then I changed the version. I said, it's 100% this ability, not the disability. ILH. I decided that I need to work on something of my own rather than looking for a job. And universe was listening to me. And as I say, universe, I'll prove it in a while. On 31st December 2021, I got a mail which read as gift for you. It was mentioned silver membership at 4,999 just as a New Year gift for you. I just grabbed it. No second thought. I was looking for a guide who could help me grow, and this mail brought me an opportunity. And as I said, universe, we all know that someone has launched a platform called Universe. Who is that? Yes. Our Godfather. From 4th of Jan, we began with hackathon missions. Totally charged up, excited to begin with my new journey. I don't know what I was going to do, but I was totally charged up, excited. 5 weeks later, my eyes started making me feel more and more irritative. I had to visit doctor, and doctor told me very clearly, Kushal, I cannot tell you the reason why you're losing out your vision so fast, but let me suggest you, don't work on screens, don't go out in sunlight without sunglasses. I was like, what to do if not to work on screens? Can you imagine? I was not getting a job because I was blind and not skilled enough. Doctor says don't work on screen because it's harmful. I was like, boss, karu to karu kya, boss? Kya karu? I continued working. Again, no idea. But with the help of my friend, first 3 months of ILH, achieved milestone of freedom finisher. First 3 months. I discussed this scenario with Habib again. Habib was like, Kushal, start learning NVDA, non-visual desktop access, a software, a screen reader that helps blind people to navigate through the screens. I started learning it. It was hell irritative. Working with voiceovers, for everything. Not an easy job. Not at all easy. A very difficult task. It needs a stubborn mindset. I understood that. I need a stubborn mindset. A mindset to accept the irritation every time you work. A mindset to accept that is going to be a slow journey, Kushal. Mindset to accept your failures, handle your situation, but still keep on moving forward. Why? Because that was the only option, and I learned something that day. I learned when you feel like there's no option left in your life, there's one option which is open for each and every one of us. That's called the option of learn and grow. I started learning NVIDIA. I kept on trying until I understood the flow of using NVIDIA to regain my digital independence. I did it. I started working without even seeing on the screens. Wow. You must be thinking, right? What will be the show up on the webinars, right? I was thinking how to show up myself on the webinar. You must be thinking PPT banana hai. I was thinking how will I change the next page. You must be thinking ki sales closing hoga ki nahi. I was struggling to find out the meeting link on Zoom app. What would I do? I used to look for sighted people help. If I would get it, fair enough. If not, then what? Sing a song. This is what I used to do. Do you know what I used to sing for myself? माना के मुश्किल है सफर पर सुन ओ मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है. That was the song which boosted me, got some motivation, inner motivation. I understood something. We are in the time of history where information is on the tip of our fingers. We just need will to consume the right set of information and implement it. That's it. Remember, your will is more important than your skill. Because if you have will, you can learn any skill in this world for your growth. I was going through a YouTube video of Jim Carrey. He said something amazing which was like mind-blowing. And I'm sharing it with my own experience, guys. If you believe in it, it's a life changer. He said, my soul is not into the limitations of this body. In fact, my body is into the limitlessness of my soul. I was mind blown. Wow. What I understood with it was, we all have problems, we all will have problems, but what matters is looking for the solution and implementing it. Just in my case, I got to know my problem is here, I found solution through my ears. That's how I worked. On October 10th, 2022, FBR1, life changer for me. Siddharth called me on stage. Surely he saw something in me. He has a different view, eyesight. He saw me. दिल की बात कर रहा हूँ, दिल की. Reaching out to stage, he asked me a question. Kushal, what drives you? Answering that question, I felt as if I put a dent in the universe. And today, standing on the same stage, I feel as if I have hit the same spot again, and this time there is a crack in the universe, and that crack is my pathway to success. Because I sense a lot of great opportunities are coming my way, waiting for me, with a lot of money, positivity, growth, a lot of game-changing elements, and a complete whole new version of Kushal Kulkarni, KK 3.0. In Jan 2023, I proved it very, very loud and clear that I am still in the game. 10 months, earned 3 lakh rupees, cracked HOF. Can you have the image, please? Do we have the image? HOF image? There are 2 guys standing. One guy is Siddharth Rajshekhar, and you know the other guy now. 10 months, 3 lakh rupees. These 3 lakh rupees were not just the money I earned in my business. In fact, it was the reward for my resilience, my efforts, because I did it despite my blindness, and everything was built from scratch. No presentations. No presentations, no notes to look at. Every damn step was played mentally, for which I am really very, very proud of. Mindset. The game you're trying to play outside, you start playing it inside first. I did webinars, failed. Not because the systems didn't work, it was because of my physical challenge. I started launching challenges, one-to-one consultations. Slowly, wheels started moving. Sometime later, one of the coaches collaborated with me. I would like to show my gratitude to my brother from another mother, Rahul Raina. I'm so blessed to have him. Thanks, man, Rahul. Love you. And with this collaboration, I learned an amazing lesson. I learned it's important to be in the game, because you never know, opportunities will come to you to help you grow. You have to be in the game. In the game. Just be. One of my mentors told me, Kushal, to create history, study history. And I was going through the summary of this book, Story of My Life by Helen Keller. It had an amazing thought. What helps us see? Imagine we all are
In a complete darkness, I cannot see to that light. And you see, the organs of see. Is it the eyes, or is it the light that helps us to see through our eyes? Then why do we choose to light it up inside our mind?
the light of good mindset, the light of attitude, the light of freedom, the light of knowledge, the light of wisdom, the light of resilience, the light of being an action taker. Guys, our problem these days are not Facebook, ads, CPL, closings, course creations, tools. No. Our problem these days are how much belief are you planting inside you to sail through every challenge? How are you converting your blocks into biggest success? Your fear into faiths, your obstacles into opportunities, and your doubts into massive drives. And guys, if you are into this industry and if you feel key, this journey is going to be painful, let me tell you very clearly, yes, it's painful. But let me clear you this as well, your pain is an invitation, it's a messenger saying, welcome to the journey towards growth and success. Accept that invitation. Accept that. पेन से याद आया, अर्ज किया है, वाह 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 वाह। दर्द में जब करी कोशिश जीने की तो डर लगा मरने का। दर्द में करी जब कोशिश जीने की तो डर लगा मरने का। आज बेखौफ होके जो निकला हूं घर से मरने को तो मजा आ गया जीने का। Just to tell you guys how I dealt with my pain, frustrations, I put in all my frustrations sitting in front of my laptop, started building L1 and L2. Sometime later, frustration didn't help me. L1 and L2 helped me to earn 3 lakh rupees. HOF, award, जो मेरे वीडियोस में पीछे लगा हुआ है. अभी नहीं, मेरे YouTube के वीडियोस में, okay? That's how it works. Let me tell you guys, blind people have to go through a very tough process. There is a friction at every step. Friction is the problem, right? There's a lot of frictions. Many people have come in my life as a blessing. People have praised me. People have blamed me. People have cheated. I've heard, Kushal, you are a problem. यार इसकी आंखें चली गई तो ये हमको तकलीफ देगा क्या? But God bless each and every soul that has come my way, that has helped me to grow in their own beautiful ways, helping me in their own beautiful ways. But with every in and outs, what I understood was, I'm not here to show my pain. In fact, I'm here to create history for which I've already started working on. People will remember me for my resilience, my efforts, and definitely my smile. Thank you. Guys, anytime if you meet a physically challenged guy, especially a blind guy, and if that blind person is in need of help, by any means, if you are in a place to help that person, please do that. Please do that. Because I promise you, I can tell you with my own experience, I'm telling my heart here, in exchange what you will receive can never ever be balanced with the worldly material. Even if the person says, God bless you. Silently. It will be straight from their heart. Sorry?
Definitely I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And finally, guys, I want to say, being part of this family, ILH, this community, ILH, we are nowhere a competition to each other. We are a family. And yes, and I totally believe that every human is designed to be a winner. But many people get derailed from their path. And for that not to happen, I want to tell it very clearly. In the journey towards building a bigger life, we will hit the hard. Few will give up, few will get up. Which one are you? Are you here to play and win, or are you here to play and quit? Because if a guy who lost his eyes in between his life is playing it hard, making it huge, trying to be at his best, then I don't think any one of you should have any reason to quit. And one day, I promise you, you all will witness me receiving that 1 CR, 10 CR, 100 CR award right on this stage. I promise you. And let me tell my heart out here, even I want you all people to receiving them too. Because remember, if we choose to make it, anything is possible. And for the same, let's all play it together and let's play it big. Thank you. This is Kushal Kulkarni, KK for short. God bless you. God bless you.
with you.
Thank you.
Was that inspiring, Irish family? He may not have vision, but he is a visionary. Thank you, Kushal. I remember the first FBR, you were sitting at the back on the left side there. I do not know why, but I think I just brought you up. And then you shared your journey of Freedom Finisher at that point. I was blown away. How many of you were there in the first FBR? Yes. And from there to this, to the 10CR, which is going to happen,
Very true. It is going to happen.
you have enlightened all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kushal. Come on, big round of applause for Kushal Kulkarni.